Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Welcome back to another Crafty Vision segment. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make a cute little pair of earrings using some 14 gauge copper wire. Okay, I'm using 14 gauge copper wire, and I have already taken the liberty to cut my wire out 12 inches long. So you're going to need a piece of copper wire 12 inches long. You're also going to need a copper wire fish hook. You're going to need a dowel. All right, of course, the ruler, and some wire cutters and round nose pliers. So this is going to be something that's really, really quick, easy, and fast, okay? This is beginners friendly. Now, all you have to do is you come down to the bottom of your wire and you want to make a loop. Okay, so you make your loop just like that. All right, now when you make your loop, you want to make sure that you secure it and bring it as close to the wire as possible. The next thing you want to do is you want to take your pliers, you want to come in like this, and you want to pinch that just like that. All right, that's what you should have. Okay, now this technique is only required one step, okay? And it's pretty simple. So what you want to do next is this is what I do with mine. Now, if you want to, you can measure this, but I normally eyeball my where I'm going to go on my wire. So you want to go a little above where you have your loop. You want to go a little bit above it, pretty much right there, and you want to take and pinch it just like this, okay? That's what you want. Now, if you are working with 14 gauge wire, 14 gauge wire will give you a run for your money. You can do this technique with any type of any size of copper wire. My suggestion to you, if 14 gauge is too much, I would go with 16, 8, or 18. Okay, 20 is going to be too soft for the design, but I would go with 16 or 18. Okay, and I'm just throwing that out there. So now what you want to do is we're going to be making pretty much a triangle shape. So now you want to come here up a little tad bit and bring that over just like that, okay? And then you're gonna have this shape. You wanna come up here, bring that over, bring it all the way down, and then you're gonna have this shape, okay? And this is all you do for this earring, all right? And as you can see, I am making my triangle. Okay. You see that? This is what you're going to have. And you want to come up here again, pinch it over. And that's what you're going to have. You got to make sure that you are being accurate with where you are bending it, okay? It's going to change. The further you go up, it's going to change, all right? Your shape is going to start changing into what you want it to be. Okay, that's what you have next. Go here, you bend it over, and that's what you're going to have. All right, now if you wanted to, you can stop right here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one more, bend that down because I want that to be as close, and then I'm going to make one more right here, bring that over like that, and this is pretty much the shape of your earring. So this is pretty much your shape of your earring. So at first I was going to use the dowel, but I'm not going to use the dowel because I'm going to show y'all another way to make your loop, okay? So that it'll be in the middle of your earring. So what you want to do is you want to come down here to the end, and you want to do just like this. You want to go in, and you got to make sure you're doing this with round nose pliers. Okay, make sure you're doing it with round nose pliers. Okay. Okay. All right. So I have my circle or my loop. Okay. And the next thing I want to do is I just want to come and I'm going to snip. I'm going to push this piece, or actually I'm going to bring this piece out just a little bit. All right, and I'm going to snip it just like that. I'm going to come back this way and take it in. And I'm going to snip it a little bit more. There it is. Get rid of that. Bring that over. All right, I got my shape. It's my circle. And then all you do is take your fish hook and you slide your fish hook on. So here is our end results of our earrings. I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for this how to make a copper wire triangle earring video. And for those of you who are new, if this is your very first time, please subscribe to the channel if you like what I do here. Plus make sure that once you subscribe, you hit the bell so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Thank you to my loyal supporters and my new supporters. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. Once again, have a wonderful and awesome day, and until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.